Other communities are dealing with this snow, double it in Hoboken, New Jersey, because in addition to the snow and cold, they're still coping with the aftermath of a water main break that forced businesses and schools to shut down and sent a flood of water into the streets. A state of emergency remains in effect. New Jersey reporter Toni Yates live in Hoboken with the very latest. Toni.
And Dave, you know, that state of emergency is still in effect because they still have not been able to get to the break. They say this one is a little complicated for them. You can see behind that dirt mound behind me on Madison Street, water still gushing. It's even coming out more now from when we got here more than an hour ago. This all began yesterday when a PSE&G contractor accidentally punctured the main while he was working on a construction project at Madison Street and Observer Highway, which is where we are. Last night, the water system was switched from the Jersey City feed and hooked up to the Weehawken water. So a lot of people do have water, though. Some in the higher floors and some buildings may have low water pressure, but the city is saying the running water is still safe to drink. If it's discolored, let it run a little bit before you use it. Municipal offices are closed today, and any business that does not have running water must remain closed until service is restored, so says the health department. Now, the city has 7 locations where people can take containers to fill them up with drinking water. One is Hoboken University Medical Center. That's on Clinton Street between 3rd and 4th Streets. And the fire department is making its water tanker available for non-drinkable water. That's to wash dishes, to bathe, to use for toilet flushing. We spoke to one man about dealing with this break. He has not had water since yesterday.
I wonder about the how closely the construction company was following the guidelines of the city. And so I would put responsibility as much on the construction project, or maybe more. I mean, I'm sure there are codes and engineering maps.
Now, he was very calm about what he was saying. We literally just minutes ago spoke to a man who says he's lived here in Hoboken for 12 years. He's seen too many water main breaks, and he's angry about that. You're going to hear more from him coming up later this afternoon. Also, the city had a COVID-19 clinic that was supposed to go on today. That has been canceled. They say all recreational activities in the city are also canceled. So we were going to be here all afternoon to get the latest information on when this water main may be repaired. For now, we're